Can you turn spaces into stories?
An exciting field awaits you.
India will need 2x more interior designers in the next 5 years.
There's room to grow and lead.
But first,
Get the JD Edge
study B.Sc in interior design and decoration.
and own your space in a competitive world.
The JD Edge transforms you.
Rediscover fundamentals: space, form, light, texture.
Think bigger. Human behavior, sustainability, functionality.
Master tools: AutoCAD, SketchUp, V-Ray, 2D and 3D visualization, and more.
Get ready to lead end-to-end interior projects
Design residential, commercial, or experiential spaces.
and shape environments that tell stories and solve real problems.
With the experience of about 35-40 residential projects, I think every day is a new challenge.
I have come to this level wherein I have my clients named as Robin Uttappa, and Sanjay Dutt was one of my clients, and it's just because of JD Institute of Fashion Technology.
So design not only is just aesthetic, it is also has to be functional and workable.
Today I can tell proud interior designer of my own company. I'm running my own firm named Sanction Studio, which I've taken over.
Where I'm working right now, it's all JD what gave me boldness, strength. I'm very grateful of JD because of the people I got from JD, my friends and all. And
For 38 plus years, we've been giving creators everything they need.
Industry exposure,
Inspiring mentors.
latest software and AI tools.
What's more, debut at the iconic JD Design Awards,
Then get placement support and start your story.
just like our alumni. Ready to design spaces that shape life and culture?
Get the JD Edge.
Apply now.
Visit our site.
Talk to a counselor.
Visit your nearest JD campus.